How to enable navigation bar in Android device. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open settings application. If you can find navigation bar option in setting, you can simply click on it or simply search for system navigation. After that, once you're headed in the setting, you can simply choose the option of button layout the way you like. After that, at the top, instead of buttons, you can also turn on the option of gesture. Once you click on it, simply choose the option of learn. Then after it will show you how the gesture works and how you can simply turn on the navigation bar. So that's it. Just like that, you will be able to turn it on. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.